I wanted to buy a house, the big reason, but what I didn't want to do was sell my ETH because I am a pretty big believer in where ETH is going, and it felt like selling was something that I was like, if I sold, I was kind of chickening out of the future that I believe in. And so I was like, well, if I take out a loan, then I can keep my ETH and buy this house that I'm looking at. I chose Liquity because I felt like that was the least ruggable, if that makes sense. So obviously the 0% interest was incredibly appealing, but also knowing that you guys are immutable and that there's not like some contract upgrade thing that could come in and could rug me was something that helped me sleep at night on that front. I off-ramped by converting LUSD to USDC and then withdrawing from my exchange. Make sure that you don't withdraw the full amount because then you'll be worried about getting liquidated. Definitely leave yourself a cushion if you can.